So before this video starts, I just wanted to make aware of the intense situation around leather products sometimes. Most of the time it's not very pretty when most of the stuff is being made, we know that, and I just wanted to show a quick clip of where your products are coming from. Roll the clip.
Tell them to bring me my money.
Sorry for that really bad joke. But anyways, let's get into the question everyone's asking: should you buy a leather phone case? There are three things most people look for when buying a phone case, and that's price, protection, and perception, or style in this case. Price, obviously, just how much a phone costs. You don't want to spend too much or too little on a phone, although Apple does have very expensive ones. Protection, how well your phone protects it. There are usually two types of phone cases, one that are meant for more style or perception, and then ones that are meant more for protection and maybe try to incorporate some style also into that. Third one is perception, and that's how your phone case looks. This is what you'll see with a lot of Apple phone cases. A lot of them aren't very protection oriented, and most of them are very stylish, or they just look good. So companies like Lifeproof or OtterBox will have a more protection one while also trying to give you a little more style. So now the question is, should you specifically buy a leather phone case? So as you already saw, the price is a little bit expensive. It's $50 straight out the bat. On sale, I think I found it for like $30 so you can find them on sale sometimes. So the first thing I'm going to say is that these do not have much protection on them. It's just goes around the outside of your phone, and it's obviously meant for a more stylish appearance. Obviously it's leather, it's a little bit absorbent to drops, but mostly it's just a style option. I personally don't drop my phone that often, so I don't really need a protection oriented ones. I've had them in the past. I've never dropped my phone, never even scuffed those. So now I go for a more stylish phone case with just a screen protector on it. So the first thing to note about the leather phone case is that it is so dirty. It gets so dirty so quickly. This is the front cover of the leather phone case you get, and it actually is this color when you first buy it. But after a little bit, it can turn in very dark very quickly. Since you're touching your phone all the time and getting whatever you've had on your hands on it, it usually turns black very quickly, or this dark brown. Also, I usually like to put it in my cup holder whenever I drive, so the bottom of it's usually a little bit more darker. Contact points are going to be more darker because the oils on your skin get on it. Another thing again is the price. If you find it on sale, I would love to get this again, but Apple phone cases usually run pretty high. At the end of the day, you have to ask yourself whether it's worth it or not to buy it. So to wrap up this video, there wasn't a lot that was said because it's a phone case and there's only so much you can say about it. If I were comparing it to other ones, I could elaborate more, but this one's just a leather iPhone case, so there's not too much to be said, but I still wanted you guys to know what I thought about it. So going over what we talked in the video, you should always buy a phone based on price, protection, or perception. You need to know which one's the most important to you and which one you're willing to spend a little extra money for. So overall, the leather just gets really dark after a while. It looks a little bit dirty, but it's not too bad. It feels great in the hand. I really like it. I never drop my phone, so I don't have any problem with the screen cracking or anything. But just know what's important to you when looking for a phone case, and you shouldn't have any problem buying what fits your own needs. I know this video is a little short, but let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.